Yeah. So what yesterday we have seen how the angles form in the clock. I gave you example, okay, in that like hour needle and the minute needle where they are forming a what they were forming? They were forming a angles. Now can you see there should be a what? There should be a center point, isn't it? So there should be a center point.
Center point.
When there if you form an angle, how it is this way, and it is their vertex, and where you can write the angle, whatever angle it is, and we have labeled the angle A, B, C. You can keep any name, P, Q, R, S, T, X, Y, Z, anything. Okay, it's up to you. And this measurement is what? B. Now can you tell me, this is the protector which is used to measure angles, right? If already this angle is given, so what you have to do? You have to place this protector on a line, right? This is my line. I will give this line as a, and I want to draw, it is for 80 degree. Can you see it properly, both of you? So now this is my BC.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I have to do? Now I have to place a protector. So how will I place a protector? Who can help me? How should I?
बी के ऊपर जो बीच की पॉइंट लाइन है वो बी के लाइन के ऊपर लगे.
Yeah, this
We
protector.
have to take the protector on B line.
Yes, we have to take the protector on the line. So how will I take? Let me try, okay? So which way we will do? This way. Can you see? As my
The B
line,
point.
yes, like this, right? As my
Yes.
line is little bit up, but you know, no, it your this zero. Can
Yes,
you
teacher,
see?
like this.
Yes, can you see this zero over there where line should coincide? And then what you will do? Bolo. Then what you will do?
So we have to see where did the line goes to the number.
Now what is the angle measurement given over here? Bhavya, you also can party while for
Acute
responding.
angle.
80. So this way 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So here we will put a dot. And afterwards what we have to do? First you should see how to properly place a protector on a point. This is the main thing. थोड़ा भी हिलना नहीं चाहिए. As my line is little up, but you should see I have placed the protector at the vertex on the baseline, and then I have measured 80 degree. As 80 is which type of angle here? Yes, 80 is which type of angle?
Teacher, right angle.
It is right angle, right? Now what we have to do? I have got 80 over here. So what should I do? I should.
प्रोटेक्टर नहीं लिख रहा.
हाँ, protector हटा दिया ना, because I want to join a line, right?
Yes, teacher.
So what should I do? I have to join it at the B. So this way we can join at B, right? I don't know what is happening. Okay, how to join? We will start from B, yeah? How we join line? From the point till the B, isn't it? This way.
Teacher, what is breaking?
Voice is breaking. This is maybe just network problem. Okay. Now see, And what we have to label this? It is A, here B and C. And what is the angle over here? We will write it's a 80 degree. Is it clear? Both of you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes?
Yes.
We have to place a protector where? At the vertex, right? And then that measurement we have to take. Afterwards, we have to label it. This is the one example where measurement is given, right? Now, if this way, any angle is given, okay? Just wait. This is one type, okay? Now, if angle is made over there, what do you have to do? Then you have to measure, right? For example, you have to measure it. This is the line. This is the angle. Now, how we will measure? We will place a protector, okay?
Teacher, we will place the protector on the point,
On the
on the
point.
line of the protector.
Is this the correct one?
Yes, teacher. No, teacher.
No. Then this way. It should coincide,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Now it is correct.
Yes, teacher.
Now how will you count how you will
Yes,
measure that what is the
it was
angle over
correct.
here? This is 124, right, Ali? Bhavya, Kedar, just count the measurement. What is the
55. Teacher, measurement is 50.
Sorry?
Teacher, measurement is 55.
How dear, आपको ये angle देखे what it seems? It looks like a acute angle.
No, teacher, obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. What is the measurement of obtuse angle? More than 90 degree. So what is the more than 90 degree over here?
More than degree.
So what is the measurement? Just see, because it is not a acute angle, right?
Teacher,
120. 20. Can you see?
125 degree.
5 ke to one line is before, right? It is not completely on the 125. So here you can say it is 124 degree. Kedar, on your camera, dear, I am unable to see you and you both are not replying only. How will I know that you don't understand this?
Eating.
Okay, but just pay attention. Okay, Kedar, here. You got it? How to measure it? Kedar?
Yes, teacher.
Clear now? So this is about the how to make use of protector to measure the angle, right? If angle is given, you have to measure. If it is given, just draw or construct this much like 90 degree, 80 degree, 120 degrees. So then you have to draw a line, place your protector and connect the other line and you will be getting their angle. You can label the angle anyway. Is it clear, both of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's start the another lesson.